Hello everyone, my name is Nina, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making Italian meringue. The recipe is very simple. You will need just two ingredients, egg whites and sugar. But before we start, please subscribe the channel and click bell icon to receive notifications about new videos. Now let's begin cooking. Take a saucepan with a thick bottom, add sugar and pour water until all the sugar is wet. Place it on medium heat and do not stir. When bubbles start to appear during boiling, start whisking the egg whites at medium speed. When the temperature of the syrup reaches 110 degrees Celsius, switch the mixer speed to maximum. When the temperature of the syrup reaches 120 degrees Celsius, add 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now, carefully pour the hot syrup into the whisked egg whites in a thin stream. Whisk the cream for another 5 minutes at maximum speed. While it's still warm, you can use it to cover a cake and smooth the surface. You can also color this cream with a girl food coloring and make beautiful cream flowers. There are videos on my channel where I show how to make various flowers from Italian meringue. If you like this video, please hit the like button and thank you for watching.